victims later. Welcome to my nightmare. The two greatest legends of terror.
We're not going to awake or sleep.
Come together in the biggest movie in America. One cinema theater to see who will win, why won't you die, and what will be left of them. Freddy vs. Jason, rated R.
Convinced it's in there.
Years she tormented the town of Springwood, but when justice was served, a new evil was born. Now that evil will meet its match. Come to Freddy vs. Jason, rated R. Born with a dark curse, forged from undying hate, he became the ultimate killer. And now that killer has met his match. Welcome to my nightmare. Freddy vs. Jason, rated R.
Oh, mate. Little minis. So where it is? It's in there. Go on then, dig them out. Go on then. It's in there.